Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am super excited and just super just psyched to show these new beautiful PJR Care nail polish colors. There are 6 new shades that they have kindly enough sent out to me to share with you guys and to swatch. And of course, if you have been following me here on YouTube for a longer period of time, you know that I am a big fan of PJR Care. It is a Dutch nail polish brand. They are 16 free, they're vegan, plant-based, they are halal, they are safe to use. Here on the back of this bigger box, which also contained the base and top coat, which I love, you can actually see all of the ingredients that are not in here, like 16 of the really bad chemicals, stuff like that. Also, I have a 25% discount code that you can use if you are going to order this collection yourself. So definitely use that code femketje.nl at checkout to receive an additional discount of 25%, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion. But yeah, I'm just going to unbox all of the polishes really quick because they all came in really chic, snazzy boxes. So yeah, these polishes are 16 free, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are halal, they are just the safest brand to use as far as my collection goes, I have to say. I'm a big fan of their colored polishes. They are always super opaque, they apply like a dream, they last really long, and yeah, I can just keep on rambling about how much of a fan I am of this brand, but to be honest, it is just the truth, and if there are colors that I don't like, I will definitely let you know as well. But yeah, let's just get into the swatches. So the first one is called You Are Important. It is a super neon yellow, so bright. My camera was kind of having difficulties with some of the colors from this collection because the colors are just super in your face and just wow, eye-popping. So yeah, if my camera is having issues with focusing, as you can see right here actually, that is why. Cameras tend to have issues with super bright colors sometimes, and even though I've got a really good heavy duty camera, there's no difference. All cameras have issues with that. But the polish on its own, it is super opaque within that first coat already. One thing that I do want to mention is to be careful while applying the second layer. As you can see around my cuticle area, I actually picked up a little bit of that pigment from the previous coat with the brush while applying it. So make sure you have a good amount of polish on your brush when you are going into that. So yeah, beautiful color. I love neons. It's just super summery, super bright, super fun. It's just really uplifting, emotionally wise, let's just put it to that. And the next one is actually pretty much similar to the previous one. It's a super bright green. You guys know me, green is not my favorite color, but you know, I have to try stuff that I don't like every now and then just to figure out if there are particular shades of green that I do like. And this is one of those tones that I actually really do like. It is super fun. It's the purest grass green that you can imagine. It is super bright. I was once again quite impressed with how opaque this one was within that first coat. If you're like me and you've been playing with nail polishes for, I don't know, over 2 decades, you know that neon polishes can be quite hard. They can be a little sheer. Some are not buildable at all. That is not the case for these polishes by PJR Care. They are super opaque. Once again, be careful with any picking up pigment with the brush on that second coat. That is something I tend to struggle with a bit. That has nothing to do with the polish, to be honest. That's just my application. Stuff happens, you know? But yeah, other than that, beautiful color, and that comes from my mouth, the person who doesn't like greens. Oh, and just a little extra information, by the way, I might still sound a little off. That is just because I'm still recovering from the second cold I just had earlier this week. So if I still sound a little bit nasally, that is why. Next color, because we are into nail polishes here and we don't want to ramble all the time. Next up is called You Are Perfect. It actually matched quite nicely with the gel polish color that I had on my right hand. The gel polishes that I wear are pretty much always by PJR, so if you have any questions about that, let me know, like if you want to know the name of the color or anything. But yeah, it matched quite nicely. I do have to say that the PJR Care one I even liked better because it's more bright, more vibrant, and more in your face, and I just really like that. Once again, very much opaque within that first coat. Very, very beautiful. This is one of those colors that I feel like will suit any skin tone, no matter what like type of skin you have, like a cool based undertone or a neutral or warm. I think it will suit simply everyone. Also, if you have a very beautiful like dark complexion, this color will really pop. But I have to say that goes for all of the colors from this collection. I feel like because I'm always very pale, some colors can make me more pale, and other colors can actually make me look like I have a fake tan going on. But I do feel like if you have like one of those super deep, gorgeous, darker complexions, these colors will be mwah, chef's kiss, you know? Next color is called You Are Irreplaceable, and I don't know what's up with blues lately, but I've been really loving them. And this is one of those blues that kind of reminds me of like a periwinkle, not really like a lavender, because it's not purpley enough, if you know what I mean. But a periwinkle is more of like a bluish or like a purpley blue, and lavender is more of like a bluish purple, always in my opinion. So like blue has definitely like, that's the main color in this polish, but there is a little bit of purple in there, which makes it a really nice periwinkle. And I've actually done a video on some of my favorite periwinkle colors. I think it was last year or the year before even. And this one would pretty much just go straight into that little like collection of favorites because it's just really gorgeous. Once again, nice to apply, really easy to apply and remove, by the way. You can just use some acetone free remover for these. You don't need any like irritating acetone removers to get these off of your nails. But yeah, they're all really nicely creamy, no shimmer or glitter or anything like that. They do, by the way, PJR Care does have some really beautiful shimmery metallic-y polishes as well, which are super opaque, perfect for stamping designs if you're into that. So check that out if you're into that and just looking for some really nice like high quality polishes. But I'm pretty much rambling too much already again. Like that happens when I get really excited for specific nail polish colors or collections or brands such as PJR Care. I just get super excited and my brain is like blah, like word vomit, you know. But next color already, and I am also already applying the second coat of this one. This one is called You Are Brightness, and this is pretty much one of those colors that I just mentioned earlier in the video, that if you're pale, this is one of those colors that will make you look like you actually have a really nice tan going on, even though that's not the case. So yeah, I really like this color. Really soft corally pink, kind of peachy like as well, which is something that I love. I've really been liking peachy tones as far as makeup goes too at the moment. I don't know, there's just something really springy, summery about that. And yeah, it's just once again a really lovely color. I'm very repetitive in this video as well because pretty much all 6 colors I've been loving, especially this final one, which is an orange, and you guys know me, I am Dutch. It's almost King's Day here as well. Just I think it's like the 28th of April, if I'm correct. Like that's really bad. Like I'm such a bad Dutchie for not being sure on what date it is, but the only thing I know is that I'm gonna wear orange, and I'm probably gonna wear this nail polish with it because once again, very bright, very neon, really good like opaque wise for a neon once again. This one is called You Are Precious. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Like here I go again, the word vomit, like the scrambled brain, like brain farts going on. Just because I'm so excited for this nail polish collection. But yeah, with 2 coats it is perfectly opaque. It goes for pretty much all colors from this collection, and pretty much all colors that PJR Care comes out with. They are or 1 coaters, or they just need 2 coats and you're good to go. But yeah, this was the entire new video already on this Sunday afternoon. If you are watching it right now, let me know in the comments down below. Also, what color is your favorite? Have you got some PJR Care nail polishes yourself? Let me know in the comments. All extra information on where to get these will be in the description box, as well as the discount code that you can use. I'm not being paid or anything like that. It's just something you can make use of. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.